Okay, good morning guys. I think this is the first time I'm talking in the video, but today's Friday and we're doing a day in my life. So I just got up, got ready, did my devotional. I'm still going through this book, The Hour of God. I've spoken about it in my previous video, so if you're interested in a book, a Christian book, check this out. Anyways, I'm really running late, so I need to go. I'll see you guys. From here, I'm going to work. I really will not vlog at work because, yeah. But I'll vlog after work. We'll go to Lidl to do some shopping, and from there we'll see what we do. So, bye.
Starting up the day. Got my favorite outfit, checking the mirror, but there's a greater vision making everything clearer. Before I check my phone, before I start the rush, I give it to the one who matters so much. In the morning light, in the evening glow, every single place that my high heels go. Jesus, everything I do is all for you. You're the center of my world, it's true. Every single day, it's all for you. It's all for you. It's all for you. Out with the girls, grabbing some tea, living this life beautiful and free, filming the vlog, editing the clips.
This is everything that we bought today, and all of this is like £16, which is so good. Like, I love shopping from Lidl, like, and of course, I love shopping from Lidl. Like, all of this plus something. I bought plantain from the Asian market, and that was £2. But this is why I love shopping from Lidl. And of course, I'm gonna give you a shopping haul, so let's get right into it. So I got this herbs, I got this pepper because I'm gonna make jollof tomorrow or Sunday whenever I get the time. I got these tortilla wraps that I can make into my wraps, my breakfast, or even. I got tomatoes. I got chicken. So I'm out of rice, and for the life of me, I couldn't carry the 5 kg rice. I'm like, I saw this rice, it's 52p each, so I bought 2. So that will sustain me till I have the strength to buy like a whole bag of rice. And then I bought custard because I'm gonna bake. So I got condensed milk as well because I'm gonna bake. And I bought some eggs. I bought grapes. It's been a long time since I ate grapes. Like, hey, more peppers. And this is the plantain. Like, all of this plantain for £2. Like, are you kidding me right now? What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna change, get something to eat, pack this away, and bake. I'm gonna bake. So if you don't know, I have a cooking channel on Instagram. I have a cooking channel here on YouTube as well. I'm gonna link it up here somewhere. And please do follow me for recipes and for all your food content. Whatever it is, I have it on there for you. So go check it out. So I'm gonna make content for them. I'm gonna bake condensed milk cake. Enough of the talking, let's get started. Let's get ready and find something to eat and bake. Okay? Okay, so I'm ready to bake. These are the ingredients that I'll need. I have flour, baking powder, condensed milk, the main product of the baking today. I've melted butter, some eggs, and some milks. My cake. is my condensed milk cake. After baking, I just drizzled it with more condensed milk and it looks so delicious. Because I have free will, I'm gonna use it. I'm gonna eat this for dinner. Oh my god, had enough. I'm gonna keep the rest of the cake in the fridge, have it tomorrow, and yeah, call it a night. I'm done getting ready, I've showered, I've done my skincare. I'm just gonna eat some grapes and call it a night. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please do also subscribe to my channel if you have not done so already. Give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.